I'm capturing some stuff on here. Maybe you can look with the little visual inspection. Just to stay in the beginning, safety first. I've shut the gas and main water off, so don't worry about that. So here's the cold in. I don't know if this is what it's supposed to look like. And this thing does not move at all. I don't know if it's supposed to or if it's a pressure valve of some sort, but it's really snug in there, and I think I just put it in the wrong place. Here is the main in to the hot water. And one thing I noticed when I took this all apart, it doesn't fully close. That's all the way to the lock right there, on close. When I move it to fully open, oops, it doesn't, it passes the fully open. Oh God, there's water everywhere. It passes fully open, and fully open is about there. I'm gonna shut that off. I don't know if that's something I should be worried about, but fully open and fully closed on the handle are not fully open and fully closed on the valve. Here's the hot water to the house. It's a little hard to see. It's not getting anything on the camera. There's a little bit of corrosion, but not very much. Maybe if I go really close in there. No, you can't really see anything. Anyway, there's really nothing that we can see just looking down that little section there. Here's the hot coming out of the water heater. I can't tell if that's what it's supposed to look like. You mentioned I should be able to stick my finger in there, but there's nowhere for me to put my finger in. So that's it. I don't know if I'm about to connect coal directly into the house to see if there's any flow issues there. Anyway, that's it. Hopefully something here catches your eye. Thanks.